Here we have SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the xy plane above, BC equals to AC and AB equals to 3 times square root of 2. If the coordinates of point A are 1, 2, what are the coordinates of point B? In the given figure, we have a right triangle over here, ABC. In this right triangle, the lengths of the two legs BC and AC are equal. Since the two legs in this right triangle are equal, it is an isosceles right triangle. In any isosceles right triangle, we assume x as the length of the two equal legs. That is the length of this leg BC is x, the length of this leg AC is also x. Okay, in this right triangle, this side AB is hypotenuse because it is opposite to the right angle. In an isosceles right triangle, when we assume x as the length of each of the two equal legs, then the length of the hypotenuse has to be x times square root of 2. So this is we have to multiply this x by square root of 2 to get the length of the hypotenuse. But already we have the length of this hypotenuse AB that is given in the question, that is 3 times square root of 2. Okay, here when I compare this one and this one, I am getting 3 at the place of x. That is the value of x is 3. So the length of this leg BC is 3, the length of this AC is also 3. Okay, here let's consider this particular information. That is the coordinates of point A are 1, 2. Okay, now let me mark it over here, 1, 2. Okay, now to get the value on the x-axis corresponding to this point A, we have to consider the x-coordinate over here, that is 1. Now to get the value on the y-axis corresponding to this point A, we have to consider the y-coordinate over here, that is 2. Okay, now let's try to get the coordinates of the point C. Okay, first let's get the x-coordinate. For that, what we have to do is we have to add this length 3 to the x-coordinate of the point A, that is 1. When I add this 3 to this 1, I am getting 4. So 4 is the x-coordinate at the point C. And to get the y-coordinate, we have to consider the value we have over here on the y-axis, that is 2. Okay, here the x-coordinate at point C is 4. Then the value we have on the x-axis corresponding to this point C is 4. So the same 4 we have as x-coordinate at point B. Now to get the y-coordinate at point B, what we have to do is we have to add this length 3 to the y-coordinate of the point C. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the 5 is the y-coordinate at point B. Okay, here I got the coordinates of point B. They are 4, 5. We find this 4, 5 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.